Hello everyone, my name is Pihu Singh Rana and the topic of my presentation is the Quit India Movement. The Quit India Movement. The Quit India Movement was a civil disobedience movement launched in India in August 1942 in response to Gandhi's call for immediate independence. The All India Congress Committee proclaimed a mass protest demanding what Gandhi called an orderly British withdrawal from India. The movement was started in a speech in Bombay, now Mumbai, where Mahatma Gandhi asked Indians to do or die. The prominent leaders of this movement were Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Jawaharlal Nehru, and Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad. Quit India Movement Phase 1. On 9th August, eminent Congress leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, etc. were arrested. The All India Congress was declared unlawful associations and banned it. The assembly of public meetings were also prohibited. Gandhiji requested for non-violence movement once again in jail. The Quit India Movement Phase 2. The arrest of Gandhi and other Congress leaders led to mass demonstrations throughout India. Next, it became a terrorist movement. The British swiftly responded with mass detentions. Women in the Quit India Movement. Gandhiji referred women as disciplined soldiers of Indian freedom. Usha Mehta set up a radio transmitter called the Voice of Freedom to disseminate information in Quit India Movement. Matangini Hazra, Aruna Asaf Ali, Sucheta Kripalini were few of the women Indian freedom fighters. Opposition to Quit India. Hindu Mahasabha and the Communist Party of India strongly opposed the Quit India Movement. The Muslim League also opposed Quit India. Many Indian businessmen were profiting from heavy wartime and didn't support it Quit India. The nationalists had very little international support, the lack of leadership. I hope this presentation was knowledgeable. Thanks for watching.
A very good morning to everyone. Myself Mansa Padhya from class 9B, here presenting a PowerPoint presentation on the topic Quit India Movement. Quit India Movement. The Quit India Movement is also known as the August Movement and also Bharat Chodo Andolan in Hindi. The Quit India resolution was passed by the Congress Working Committee on 8 August 1942 in Bombay. It was officially launched by the Indian National Congress, INC, led by Mahatma Gandhi. Gandhiji gave the call do or die in his speech delivered at the Gowalia Tank Maidan, now popularly known as Agast Kranti Maidan. The aim of this slogan is to achieve the goal of building a new India. Some freedom fighters or national leaders in Quit India movement are Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, the leader of the movement, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, Subhash Chandra Bose, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Ashok Mehta, Jai Prakash Narayan, Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Chakravarti Rajagopalachar, Aruna Asaf Ali. The Quit India movement was violently suppressed by the British. People were shot, lathi charged, villages burnt, and enormous fines imposed. Over 1 lakh people were arrested, and the government resorted to violence in order to crush the agitation. Why the movement failed? The Quit India campaign was effectively crushed. The British refused to grant immediate independence, saying it could happen only after the war had ended in terms of immediate objectives. Quit India failed because of heavy-handed suppression, weak coordination, and the lack of a clear-cut program of action. The War of 1942 lasted for 3 months only was also the reason why the movement failed. At last, thanks for hearing me. Have a good day.
Today, I am Niyati Bansal of Himalaya Public Senior Secondary School, studying in class 9C, is here to present my views on the topic Quit India Movement. What is Quit India Movement? Wait, let me explain you. The Quit India Movement is also known as August Movement. Was the movement launched in the Bombay session of All India Congress Committee, by Mahatma Gandhi on 8 August 1942 during World War II, demanding the end to British rule in India. In August 1942, Gandhiji started the Quit India movement and decided to launch the mass civil disobedience movement, Do or Die, called the force the British to leave India. Of Quit India movement. Even though the government said that independence could be granted only after the end of the war, the movement drove home the point that India couldn't be governed without the support of the Indians. The movement placed the demanding for complete independence at the top of agenda of the freedom movement. Quit India movement happened. The immediate cause for the movement was to collapse the Cripps mission. The British assumption of unconditional support from India to British in the World War II wasn't taken well by the Indian National Congress. The anti-British sentiments and demand for independence had granted popularity among Indian masses. What are the main causes of Quit India movement? Quit India resolution was finally passed on 8 August 1942 in Mumbai. Then, what was the major cause of the failure of the Quit India movement? Wait, let me answer you. Lack of coordination and lack of clear-cut program were the two major causes of the failure of the movement. What was the main aim of Quit India movement? The main aim of Quit India movement was Indians' freedom, and it was accomplished by the mass protest on non-violence lines, in which Gandhiji called for an orderly British withdrawal from India. With his passionate speeches, Gandhiji asked people to participate in the movement who desired the freedom of our country. What are the effects of Quit India movement? In short term, the Quit India movement had a mysterious effect on the struggle for Indian freedom, as almost all the leaders of the All India Congress movement were jailed within hours of Gandhiji's speech. Opposition to the speech came not only from the British but also from the internal sources. What are the impacts of Quit India movement? It demonstrated the depth of the national feelings. The movement showed the depth of the national will and convicted the British that their domination in India were numbered. People from all the parts of India fought together against the Britishers. What happened after Quit India movement? The Quit India movement campaign was effectively crushed. The British refused to grant immediate independence, saying it could happen only after the war had ended. Sporadic, small-scale violence took place around the country, and the British arrested tens of thousands of leaders, keeping them imprisoned until 1945. What was the significance of Quit India movement? The movement made British realize that India couldn't be governed without the support of Indians. It placed the demand for complete independence on the immediate agenda of freedom movement, demonstrated the depth of the national feelings. The movement showed the depth of the feelings of nation, will the convicted and British that their domination in India were numbered. What were the causes of Quit India movement? After the failure of the Cripps mission, the Congress feel that the communicational problem in India would be solved only if the British were forced to quit India. The Congress wanted the immediate withdrawal of the Britishers to save India from the Japanese invasion. Thank you. I hope you liked my PPT. Have a wonderful day.
Hello everyone, my name is Harshita Indora from 9D of Himalaya Public Senior Secondary School. Today I give a presentation on the topic Quit India Movement. India won its freedom from British colonial rule in 1947. After many decades of struggle, Mohandas Gandhi, known as Mahatma Gandhi, joined the fight in 1914 and led the country to independence using his method of non-violent protest known as Satyagraha. Quit India Movement. The Quit India movement was an important milestone in the Indian freedom struggle. On this day in 1942, Gandhi gave the slogan of "Do or die" to all Indians to drive away Britishers from the country. The movement had begun from Gwalior Tank in Mumbai. The day is observed as August Kranti Day every year. This was a significant move as the British began to think about the issue of Indian independence. Just as the Quit India movement boosted the freedom struggle in India, this day is observed as to pay tribute to the leaders and the freedom fighters. Even though the government said that independence could be granted only after the end of the war, the movement drove home the point that India could not be governed without the support of the Indians. The movement placed the demand for complete independence at the top agenda of the freedom movement. The Quit India campaign was effectively crushed. The British refused to grant immediate independence, saying it could happen only after the war had ended. In terms of immediate objectives, Quit India failed because of heavy-handed suppression, weak coordination, and the lack of fully accurate program of action. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Quit India movement. The Quit India movement, translated into several Indian languages as the Leave India movement, also known as the August movement, was a movement launched at the Bombay session of all the Indian Congress Committee by Mahatma Gandhi ji on 8 August 1942 during World War II, demanding an end on the British rule in India. Why was the Quit India movement launched? The immediate cause for the movement was the collapse of Cripps mission, the British assumption of unconditional support from India to British in World War II. Not taken well, the Indian National Congress, the anti-British sentiments and demand for full independence had gained popularity among Indian masses. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Nandini Rai of class 9th B is going to present PPT on the given topic, Quit India Movement, the last great struggle of the Congress to oust the imperialists. Quit India Movement. The Quit India Movement was a civil disobedience movement launched in India in August 1942 in response to Gandhi's call for immediate independence. The All India Congress Committee proclaimed a mass protest demanding what Gandhi called an orderly British withdrawal from India. The call for determined but passive resistance appears in his call to do or die, issued on 9th August at the Goiwala Tank Maidan in Mumbai in the year 1942. Prominent leaders Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad. Quit India Movement in first phase. On 9th August, Congress leaders like Mahatma Gandhi etc. were arrested. The All India Congress was unlawful associations and banned. Gandhiji requested for non-violence movement once again in jail. Quit India Movement in second phase. The arrest of Gandhiji and the Congress leaders led to mass demonstration throughout India. Next, it became a terrorist movement. The British swiftly responded with mass detentions. Women in Quit India Movement. Gandhiji referred women as disciplined soldiers of Indian freedom. Usha Mehta set up a radio transmitter called Voice of Freedom to give information during the movement. Some women leaders are Aruna Asaf Ali, Mata Ankini Hazra, and Sucheta Kripalli. Causes of failure. The revolt of 1942 lasted for 3 months only. It failed in its attempt to paralyze the government machinery in order to seize power. The three main causes of failure are tactical mistakes of organization and planning, loyalty of the services, superior physical strength of the government. Thank you.